How to liquid stake your staked atom with the LSM on pSTAKE. Start by going to cosmos.pstake.finance and connect the wallet of your choice. Once connected, make sure you're on the Staking tab and select the Liquid Stake Your Staked Atom using LSM option. A list of all your current delegations with different validators will be shown. Note that some delegations might not be visible due to the fact that the corresponding validator is not part of the active set or they don't have sufficient validator bond. You can find these validators by clicking the button on the right. Now enter the amount of each delegation you wish to liquid stake. Check the summary and hit the Liquid Stake button. Next, there will be 3 transactions for you to sign. One is to tokenize your staked atom. The second one is to transfer your tokenized shares to persistence. And the last one to liquid stake on pSTAKE. Make sure to have some atom in your wallet for transaction costs as well as a very little amount of XPRT to approve the last transaction. Once you've completed all 3 transactions, you can press the close button and you will find your freshly liquid staked pSTAKE atoms in your balance on the left. Now that you have minted pSTAKE atom, you can use it in DeFi all across Cosmos. Dexter, Shade, Yumi, Crescent, Nolus, Osmosis, and many more. Enjoy the liquidity!